Hi everyone. The next prompt for hashtag Steampunk Adventures is corset and clocks. So I just want to show you what I did yesterday. You can't even really see, but I have this really pretty stickles in blue and gold, and it's called Waterfall. And I just wanted to lightly go over the page with that. It's kind of went with the sea theme and everything like that. But I'll show you the bottle because it's really pretty. I had just putting it away too. It's really pretty though. It's blue and gold. It's called Waterfall. So I can see a lot of sparkle and a lot of blue. Unfortunately, you can't. And I think I have the light on. Let me see if I take that off. Nah, you can't really see it. I'll just put it back on. So today we're going to work on corset and clocks. Wanted to do a background for this. So of course I will grunge up the sides. Oh wow, I don't know if you can hear that wind. It is howling. That's crazy. Okay, put this down. Oh wow, I have just enough for this challenge. I didn't even think to look at all the pages. Alright, so we got that down. I have my corset lady here. I put her together and she has no arms. Don't you just love it? No arms. So we're going to put her down. I'm going to just get some of her hair and cut all this off, I think. And then I cut that and I put that behind so it would look a little bit better with her hair like that. And I'm like, what does it matter? She doesn't have any arms. So, whatever. That's what it is. Because I didn't want to just put the corset. So I built her out of my cut and collage book. And then they had shoes to match. But guys, I couldn't put these in there because it looked very silly. So we'll just have her float over here. Nothing wrong with that, right? She can just float there with no arms. No one said she needed arms. And I have this cool clock over here that I'm going to put up here. Isn't that cool? And then I'll put some ink on them too. Put that there. And then I have clocks in my stash, and I have some sticker clocks. Now, which ones do I want to use? Let me see. We can use a pocket watch, right? Put that somewhere. Oh my god, that's really sticky. It barely came off. Alright, where are we going to put this guy? Put him there. Okay, put that up so you can see. Alright, where's my other clocks? I know I had some more. That's a repeat. Oh yeah, there's one over here. There's one over here that's really cool. Okay, so we have that cool clock. Let's put that one down somewhere. Alright, where do I want to put this? Hey, let's distract that she doesn't have an arms. Alright, we can put stuff there. Now we need something on the other side. Oh, that's funny. Put a gear on that clock. These are the same color. I want one that'll show up. So it might be okay. Okay, put this gear over here. Plop. Alright. Maybe we can cut out her shoes after all and just put them next to her. Kind of hide the fact that she doesn't have arms. What do you think? Maybe just kind of put them like on an angle. I might have to move that clock down. I shouldn't have put it right there. Let me see something if I could do like a let's move him. Oh. All right. How can I fix this? How can I fix it? All right, hold on. Let me see. Let me see if I can fix it. So like if I did like her shoes and then like that 311 song, Beautiful Disaster. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to fix this and I'm going to tell you how. I just going to grunge it up. Okay, let's put these down. Let's see if I go like this. Okay, let's put her shoes down like that. And then put that there. Ah, I moved the thing. Stay there. Just take all this white off. Don't like that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is see how I can do this. Let's see. Do I have a sticker I don't care about? Probably this one. These stickers are so sticky. Okay, so, alright, trust me. Trust me now. We're going to do the exact same thing up here. So it looks like, alright, you know what? I'm going to have to put some glue first. We're going to do the exact same thing up here so that it looks like it's going to match that. That's going to match that right there, so it'll look better. It'll look more uniform. It'll look like it was supposed to be there. Because, you know, us crafters, we always have happy accidents. Things happen and everything else. So, That's how we're going to fix it. Oh, I think I'm going to add that over there too. Let me cut this in half. That's pretty cool. Let's add that. Just half, just like that. We can cut the excess off. Okay. Okay. You think it'll happen in our favor now? Let's see. We're going to find out, right? Yes. Well, then we just go in there like that. Maybe a little more. Just, there we go. Haha. All right. That way, look. See? It looks like I did it on purpose. All right, guys. So that's what I have today for corset and clocks. I think maybe I could have put this over here a little bit more, but I don't want to move that gear. It's going to just stay the way it is. All right, guys. So that's what I have for today. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.